Think about it. As a student, you're blessed with many tools for education, but are you really making the full use of everything you have? Well, there are great companies out there which provide great tools and services which are paid but are free if you have a student email ID. My name is Shashikant and welcome to GitHub. Today, we are going to discuss about the top 5 free services which you can get only if you have a student email ID. Let's roll the intro. We use thousands of web services and we have different login IDs in each one of them. And a lot of time you forget the password or you just use the same password over and over again. But that has a consequence. If one website leaks your password, then it's a nightmare for you because you have to go back and change all those passwords. If your passwords are too easy, it's unsafe. But if they're complicated, you can forget about remembering them. A great way of getting over this is to use a password manager. Something like 1Password or LastPass. Using only one master password, you can get access to all your login credentials. LastPass is a free service on the surface. But as a student, you get 6 months of free access to LastPass Premium. This includes autofill for password, 1 GB of encrypted file storage, cross-UI support, and improved security. If you plan on using some of the many amazing services out there, you should keep LastPass in mind. Number 4 on our list is Microsoft Azure. If you sign with a student email ID, you get $100 of free credits in Microsoft Azure. So not only do you get the chance of working with Microsoft, one of the biggest companies out there, but you also get the chance to work on cutting edge technology which can take your career to the next level. Microsoft Azure is a cloud platform from where you can build simple apps to complicated apps. Microsoft Azure gives you access to many high-end AI concepts and helps you to build training modules for machine learning. If you want to work in development of the next generation, you should check it out. AWS Educate was originally built for giving out free access to Amazon's amazing cloud services for educators and students. You can access AWS Educate for free if you have a student email ID. This includes labs, courses and tutorials and collaboration tools, all of which for a student is quite useful. You can learn one of the most in-demand cloud skills out there and probably get a major boost in your career. They say that if one door closes, another window opens. Well, they don't. But Microsoft is offering Windows Education, their native OS with special features for students. And guess what? It's free of cost. Compared to Windows 10 Home and Pro, Windows 10 Education is more robust and workplace ready. Plus, it's free to download if you're a student. The best part is, even after you finish your graduation, you can still have access to Microsoft Education, no questions asked. So now, while you're still studying, it might be the best time to actually install the OS. Microsoft also gives out Office 365 free of cost for students. Simply by signing into your student ID, you can download the Office 365, which has Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all the amazing softwares from Microsoft. Let's face it, as a student, you're bound to use these tools. Why not get them for free while you can? This brings us to the number 1 free service. A few items from this list is actually an extension of this pack. What am I talking about? Well, the GitHub Education Pack. To put it in easy words, the GitHub Student Education Pack is a plethora of courses which you can use to get your skills to the next level. Include courses, demos and free access for Neem.com, DigitalOcean, DataCamp and many other great sites. Also includes a 6-month subscription to Arduino Education, $100 free credit for DigitalOcean and a lot of these great courses from Neem.com, Frontend Masters and other great resources. There's something for everyone. To learn development, you have Frontend Masters. If you want to learn data science, you have DataCamp. And if you want to use a VPS, there's obviously DigitalOcean, AWS Educate and Microsoft Azure, all are in there. These are not your everyday subscription, but these are peeks into cutting edge software, which are being used in markets right now and will be used in the future. Some of the tools I've mentioned earlier are a part of GitHub Student Education Pack. There you have it. Those were our top 5 free services which you can get from a student mail ID. If you have any website softwares or tools which you got access to because you're a student and you have a student email ID, let us know in the comments box below. Thank you for watching GeekOps, and if you like tech and want to get updates on all the things related, please subscribe to your channel. Stay safe out there.